Hello and welcome to Finextra. I'm Emily Hall and I'm here with Rich Wagner of APS Financial. And we're at Next Gen Banking London 2017. Thank you very much for joining me.
Thank you for having me.
You participated in a session here on payments reform and access. How well do you think the industry has progressed in this area so far?
Well, I'm usually the controversial one, but it depends on your perspective. I think for challenger banks and the new banking solutions that are coming to the market, the Monzos, the Starlings, they've made really good progress. In fact, I was surprised to even hear yesterday that the PRA has really done a lot to allow access to those types of parties. I think APS Financial, we're a non-bank. We're one of the challengers to that whole ecosystem. There hasn't been a lot done. Mark Carney came out last year in June to say that they're going to provide settlement accounts at the Bank of England for non-banks. We're 12 months on and we still need a lot more progress to happen for the ecosystem that I operate in.
So what gaps remain and why do they need to be filled?
Well, I understand where Bank of England is, and certainly it's technology. The real-time gross settlement system that Bank of England had is 30, 40 years old. There was no anticipation in the fintech world that we live in today, especially in the UK, for players, 30, 40, 50 players as part of the national settlement scheme. There's a lot of work to do, not just from a regulatory perspective, not just from a legal perspective, but the technology to support not just banks, but fintechs like us.
So what needs to be done to fully realise the vision of openness that will drive new competition and services in the UK payments landscape?
Well, I think it's actually giving that access to non-banks. I mean, it's not just the players like APS Financial where many people don't know about us, but there are FTSE 250 companies that have been screaming out for this access because the retail banking system is not really geared to allow innovation to happen without people like us in the non-bank arena to really drive that innovation forward and provide customer-centric propositions for them.
Rich, thank you very much.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching.